Hey everybody, welcome back to H&H TV. We had an inquiry question here a few weeks ago asking what the difference was between a shop manual and an assembly manual. So we offer a complete reproduction set of shop manuals for everything that we do. These are reprints of the original manual that General Motors would have put out that is basic mechanical, and that's what a shop manual is. This is what they would have used in the service department to help them with tools. You can kind of get in there. It's a little bit more instructions. Uh, Here we are. This is on, V8 engine, engine assembly, engine rebuild, that sort of thing. That's going to have everything from maintenance to torque specifications, timing, anything like that. Again, basic mechanical. You're going to find brakes, transmission, power steering, a little bit of wiring, um, but those are available, and we actually use these in our tech department. Sometimes for people with questions and something maybe we have to dig into, because obviously we can't remember everything about every product that we sell. That one, this is one we've had in there for a long. This is for '57 Chevy, and obviously we've used it a bunch. We wore the cover right off of it. Assembly manuals. Now this is what would have been used in a GM assembly plant that is more exploded views. It is not a step-by-step instruction. This particular one, this is 67 to 72 Chevy and GMC truck, but here's mirror installation. This is on the West Coast mirrors that would have had on some of them. You got routing, bolts, certain things it's going to tell you. There's about putting together front suspension. That's rear suspension. Here's, they're putting together, this is all gas pedal, accelerator pedal assembly, carburetor. There's exploded views on the steering column, putting in a radiator, so forth. Now, I will be honest with you, these are in absolutely what I consider no order. I'm sure there is an order and the reason why they're that way that GM would have done. But even if you get in here real close, talking about some of the cab, all those X's, that represented spot welds. This is where it was allegedly all spot welded together. But again, we have these available for most everything, not every vehicle that we do. But that's the difference. Shop manual versus assembly manual. Assembly manual is more about how the car or truck went together. This is basic mechanical. So that's the difference. To answer that question, we have these available on the website as well. In each individual section, you'll just go to books and literature, and you'll find shops, assemblies, owner's manuals, wiring diagrams. We have all that available as well here at H&H.